this title is crazy: structure, prioritize, track goals, objectives, all of that stuff. They all fit together. If you have a goal, you can prioritize. If you can prioritize, you can set your objectives. If you can set your objectives, you can start structuring not only your business, but the projects that run them. So I'm going to mention Asana and ClickUp in Monday a lot in this presentation. Asana and ClickUp are the two of the three that have goals and targets, and the ability to connect those two to the work that's getting done, the projects. That is so strong and so powerful, because essentially what you can do is say, here's my goal, here's my key result, or here's my target that matches up with that goal, and then here's the work that's going to get done to achieve that target, to achieve that goal. And it can get a little bit more complicated than that, but because it connects to the work, then as that project and the tasks in that project are getting completed, then you're able to see your goal percentage go from 0 to 100, and you don't have to manage all of that yourself. It's all automatic when it's connected. If you haven't looked into it before, I would highly recommend at least reading about the basics of OKRs, stands for objectives and key results. It's a great framework to model your goals on, but there's a caveat here. I do want to say you don't want to worry about getting it perfect. I've definitely worked with teams where they'll start working down OKRs, and then all of a sudden it's weeks, literally, I'm not joking, weeks spent on wordsmithing the objective and the key results. And instead of getting the work done, they're just talking about what words we should use for the goals. The goal of the goals is to actually make progress, achieve your objectives. Don't worry about perfection.